Hey there, LinkedIn enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to help you navigate social media like a pro. Today, we're tackling how to hide connections on LinkedIn in 2025. If you're worried about privacy, protecting your professional network, or just keeping your connections under wraps from competitors, this quick guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First off, why would you want to hide your connections? In 2025, LinkedIn has become even more competitive, and showing your network publicly can sometimes lead to unwanted outreach or even people stealing your contacts. By hiding them, you maintain control over who sees your valuable connections, which is a smart move for job seekers, entrepreneurs, or anyone building a private network. Alright, let's get to the steps. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account on your desktop or mobile app. Make sure it's the latest version for 2025 updates. Once you're in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Now, navigate to the Visibility section on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find options for managing your public profile details. Scroll down until you see Connections under the Visibility settings. Click on that, and you'll have the option to change who can see your connections. Simply select Only You or Your Connections based on your preference. Hit Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your connections are now hidden. One quick tip. Remember, this setting might not be retroactive for past interactions, so double-check your privacy regularly. If you're using LinkedIn on mobile, the steps are similar. Just head to the menu icon and follow the same path. There you have it, folks. Hiding your connections on LinkedIn is a breeze and a game changer for your online privacy. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.